Infinix is once again challenging the limits of innovation with its bold new concept device, the Zero Mini Trifold. Introducing the next frontier of smartphone design, a device that pushes the boundaries of versatility and functionality, all packed into one compact form. The Zero Mini Trifold redefines the trifold form factor with a flip-style, outward-folding design, powered by dual hinges. This groundbreaking mechanism allows it to unfold and adapt in ways never seen before. What makes this concept so extraordinary is its ability to seamlessly transform between three distinct modes. At its core, the Zero Mini Trifold serves as a fully functional smartphone, offering all the features you'd expect in a flagship device. But with a simple fold, it turns into a compact, attachable camera, perfect for snapping photos, recording videos, or even serving as a dash cam for your car. Infinix also envisions the Zero Mini Trifold as a hands-free fitness companion, your personal trainer on the go. Whether it's tracking your workouts, guiding you through exercise routines, or helping you navigate hiking trails, this device adapts to every aspect of your active lifestyle. Designed for one-handed use, the Zero Mini Trifold features dual rear cameras for crisp photos and videos, while its compact yet durable design ensures that versatility never sacrifices practicality. Infinix is pushing for a future where one device replaces multiple gadgets, offering efficiency without compromise. For consumers who crave adaptability, this is the ultimate tool that consolidates all your tech needs into one powerful device. While official specs and release details are yet to be revealed, the Zero Mini Trifold has already captured the imagination of tech enthusiasts worldwide. Could this revolutionary prototype be the future of smartphones? Keep an eye out for a closer look at the Zero Mini Trifold at MWC Barcelona. The future of mobile technology is just a fold away.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side.